And guys, once you get your grip, guys, you're gonna master braid. Braid is so easy. When you ate it braid, you're gonna get to love it, right? Because when you learn to braid and you're not paying that $300 anymore to get your hair braided, you're gonna be happy. And there's extras gonna stay in your pocket. You can braid your kids' hair too, guys. And if you want to learn like the faster way, make sure you subscribe. So I'm gonna show you to use the different method, the rubber band method, the wraparound method, all the method, guys, I teach you into braiding. You don't want to use the rubber band? I'll teach you how to do it without the rubber band, okay? And then I'll teach you to be light-handed, so that it wouldn't be too much attention when you're braiding, okay? So when you're gripping, you don't grip and pull. You grip just to maintain the you just the grip, you just grip to maintain that you're right there. And then you started to braid. You don't grip and pull, because pulling is going to cause tension. You're not going to feel it right away when you're sitting and get your hair. It's when your hair done, or probably you gone home, then you're going to feel the pressure. And even if you take some meds, guys, you take some, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Hairstyles. Started with a vision and carrying on. Faith in your heart, you know blessings coming soon. Hands full of purpose, every strand you. Hello, dear. Hello. Hello, dear family. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a fantastic day today, Inner. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate you coming, guys. Okay. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys, so you can get more tutorial. Okay. Thank you again so much. If you're just joining, I like teaching you guys how to fix your loose braid. I must say, okay. So if you're there, you want to know what I'm streaming from. I'm your host, Classic, and I'm streaming all the way from Maryland, USA. Okay. See, hi, Red. Inner saying hi, Red. Hi, Barry. So to do the box braid, you crisscross. Have both strand. Depends upon the sizes that you guys want. And then you crisscross. You grab on right here, and then you have your three. It's like I show you guys, and you ready to braid. Okay. Inner Beauty by Red. Thank you guys so much again. Appreciate you guys stopping. Really do appreciate you guys. Hello, guys. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Is this your first time? Oh, I go to ask if it's your first time here for today. But I think like I saw you already in the chat. Started with a vision and a chair. Faith in your heart, you know blessings come soon. Hands full of purpose, every strand you touch, turning pain into beauty, and it means so much. You don't just die, you heal inside. Pick up the broken white that eyes, never reflecting more than hell. You show God still cares. Every crown you fix, you lift the soul. Every word you speak, you make them whole. Light shining through what you do. God's hands working through you. Classic hairstyle, shining His light. In dark days, and the something bright. Flowing every time you create. Faith on you, yeah, it's written in faith. Oh, sing proud and glory. Love in your hands, walking in purpose, just like He planned. Classic hairstyle, keep doing. Hello, Vincent. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining, and I really do appreciate you. Hi, the family from Pat's Kitchen. Pat is saying hi to the family. I'm an inspirational scrape, spreading hope to people you ain't never been. But in a channel that's ministry too. Every life changing when they watch you. Confidence rising, hearts set free. You're helping them see what God can be. Beauty deeper than your what they show. You plant the seed and watch it grow. Every style you do, faith of peace, it turning down into happy tears. I gave the gift, now let it flow. Watch how the blessings grow. Blessing hairstyle, shining His light. Dark days in the sun bright. Blessings flowing every time you create. Faith on you, yes, written. Oh, we sing crown with glory. Love in your hands, walking in purpose, just like He planned. Classic hairstyles, keep You make the whole world wanna stay when you look that bird. When you say you're enough, every smile you bring. He's there, hear the angels sing. He's there, purpose on you. Blessings, the family. Your girl Misha. The same blessings to the family. God's life, living in you. Keep shining, keep shining. Sing along. Oh, sing along. That is just so amazing and beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, my beautiful. Thank you. Started with a vision and a chair. Faith in your heart, you know blessings come soon. Hands full of purpose, every strand you touch, turning pain into beauty, and it means so much. You don't decide your inside, pick up the broken white their eyes, never reflecting more than hell. You show God still cares. Every crown you fix, you lift the soul. Every word you speak, you make them whole. Light shining through what you do. God's hands working through you. Classic hairstyle, shining in His light. In dark days into something bright. Flowing every time. Faithful on you, yeah, it's written in faith. All right, from Pat's Kitchen. Purpose just like it. Classic hairstyle. Keep doing your thing. Guys, if I didn't call you guys, forgive me because you know when you're braiding, you gotta be focusing on the braiding and then you gotta be fast because you wanna finish up. So forgive me for that. Okay, guys? Camera and inspirational screen, spreading hope to people you ain't never seen. More than a channel, it's ministry too. Every life changing when they watch you. Confidence rising, heart set free. You're helping them see what God can be. Beauty deeper than your they show. You have to see and watch it grow. Every style you do, faith appears. It's turning down into happy tears. I gave the gift, now let it flow. Watch how the blessings grow. Classic hairstyle, shining in light. Turning dark days into something bright. Flowing every time you create. Faith on you, yeah, it's written. Oh, we stay grounded with glory. Love in your hands, walking in purpose, just like it planned. Rising hairstyles, keep doing your thing. You make the whole. Guys, if you can watch on the road, you're not seeing it like pulling, like it's tight. Smile will break. He's there, hear the angels sing. He's there. Purpose on you. Thank you so much for joining my beautiful journey. Really do appreciate